Hey, what's happening guys? My name is Saurav and welcome to another video of Ultimate Solutions. And in this video I'm going to show you all how you can install font in Windows 10 and Windows XP. So the steps are very easy guys. I'll just show you. So I'll just download some few fonts from the Google. So as you can see that I've searched font downloads and you can see that the popular websites are coming up here. So I'll just click on any of the website and I'll download a few fonts and then I'll try to install it. So you can see that we are getting a very nice fonts over here. So I'll just click on this, I'll just download this particular font and then we'll try to install it. So the font is downloaded guys. So I'll just go to this show in folder, I'll extract it. And this is the font guys. So these steps are very easy guys. I'll just right click on it and then I'll just click on install for all the users, right? So when you click on it, so you can see that it is installing the font, or else what you can do is you can directly go to control panel. So if you're using Windows XP machine, you will not be getting this particular install option. Okay, so what you have to do is you'll have to go to the font. You have to go to the control panel and you have to go to the font folder. So I'll just go to control panel and you can see over here, we can see that we have a font folder over here, right? So we'll just click on it and you can see we can see all the installed font in our machine, right? So what we have to do is we'll just click on this font and we'll drag it to this folder to install this particular font. Okay, and yeah, and you can see that it is installing. So now if I'll search this particular font and you can see that it is coming here. So if I'll go to any of the Word document to check this particular font, so I'll just open a new document over here. So if I'll click on this and search anything over here, as in so if I search that Shamala something name of the font, so I'll just URS. Selfie, what was the name of the Shalma? Okay, so I'll just search for Shalma and you can see that it is coming over here. See, right? So this is how you can install font guys in your Windows machine. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful to you, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Until then, stay happy and love to learn. You'll have exciting technical difficulties. Bye.